This is for you, Pat McLaughlin. Saving of the baby bird. In our nice yard. Oh, okay, baby. It's okay. We're not going to let you see it. Watch the hole. You're such a nice man. Okay. Don't worry, Pat. We're going to throw the spatula up. Oh, go ahead.
I'm waiting.
Is that you shaking?
I probably killed him when I tried to
No,
move
no,
him
no.
more.
Go ahead. He'll
He's not moving.
I don't care. Just keep going. Keep going.
His mouth isn't moving. I think I killed him.
No, you didn't kill him,
I
honey.
think I did.
Well, maybe he's gone into stunned mode. You're doing everything you can to save
I
him.
hope the dog got home.
Huh?
I hope the dog got home.
Well, they would know what a nice person you are. If they don't know already. Right, Pat? Right, Pat? I wouldn't do this for everybody, but where's the stick?
I threw it away.
Why? You have to push it off. Okay, here it goes, Pat.
I really do think he's dead, though.
Well, just put him in there,
What
honey.
if I put him in here?
No, you have to put him near the nest.
Well, there's a piece of wood there.
Well, put it in as far as you can. Good job, honey.
Ah.
What happened? Oh.